LPRO Stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Open Lending Corporation stock, $6.54, 11.7% up. Actually, when I'm looking at this thing, I'm like pissed off. No, I'm kidding, but I've done 35,000 videos. I've spent thousands on courses and mentors, and I've documented everything. Generally speaking, I'm not even sure if I have my previous drawings on this. No, I don't. But yeah, looking at it from this lens, awful price action. Quite bearish for me, to be honest. It's only going to be really something bullish the moment it starts. Like this, it's not even a penny stock. It's not even below $5. If this stock starts breaking above 843, then is when I'm interested. But if not, nobody cares. Meaning even if it comes up here and I see a double break, then and only then I'm taking things low. So I'm going to continue to keep you updated. Doesn't even have to reach the supply, you know. And I don't think this is even that volatile, but just for instance, I have my things here. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.